In this video, you'll learn how to import and edit a custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate your unique design into your Mailchimp campaigns. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL in your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, verify that you are on the Mailchimp dashboard, which features various options for managing your email campaigns. Next, locate and click on the Create Email button, typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. After clicking this button, a new window will appear, guiding you through the email creation options available. After this, you may see a prompt related to existing campaigns. Click on Close to proceed without using a template. This action will take you back to the email creation screen, allowing you to start fresh. Now, you need to select Design Email. This option is usually present as a button on the email creation page. Upon selection, you will be directed to the design interface where you can customize your email's appearance. Once the design interface appears, click on Start from Scratch. This option allows you to create a new email layout without any pre-existing templates. You will notice a blank canvas where you can begin dragging and dropping elements. After that, find and click on Content Blocks located in the sidebar. This section provides various components you can use to build your email. Ensure you are in the correct section before proceeding. Next, click on Show More within the Content Block section. This will expand the available options, giving you access to additional elements that can enhance your email design. Now, locate the code block among the expanded options. Click on it and drag it to the center of your email layout. This action allows you to insert custom HTML code directly into your email. After placing the code block, navigate to your HTML template source. Click on Export to download your HTML template. This step is crucial as it provides the code you will later paste into Mailchimp. Once you've exported the template, click on Copy HTML. This will copy the code to your clipboard, enabling you to paste it into Mailchimp easily. Next, return to the Mailchimp editor. Click on the empty code block you previously placed. A text area will appear where you can paste your HTML code. Make sure the area is ready for input before continuing. After pasting the HTML code, click on Save and Exit to finalize your changes. This confirmation will ensure that your custom template is stored and ready for use in your email campaigns. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.